What's up, YouTube? It's Twin Legs Follow Phone. We got an unboxing from Auctmart. It's just for my motorbike. You know, my 2007 Gixxer 600. It is Chinese fairings. I did not know it was Chinese until I ordered it. It took about a month, and I'm in Louisiana, so it didn't take that long. Like how people take, like some people say it take a month and a half.
It took about 3 weeks, to be honest. After you got to your shipping number.
Nah, I ordered on the 10th of last month. It's the 17th of this month.
When did you get the shipping number?
Like a few days ago. And some people say when they get their shipping number, it's still taking another week to 2 weeks, and it didn't take that long for me. But
so you got your shipping number a few days ago when it came to the United States.
A little quicker because I was complaining. And it was like, we're gonna put yours in priority shipping, whatever. But I can tell you now, I heard something shaking. Like I heard something loose in here.
Loose? Yeah, your whole fairing's probably loose. It's it's probably just wrapped up in a box.
Yeah, it is. That's what it's supposed to be. But
it's wrapped up in a box with cotton or either them clear airbags that people like popping or bubble wrap. You got a whole kitchen knife.
Yeah, boy.
I got a pocket knife in your room.
Pocket knife, man. I don't feel like using.
You fussing at me?
Oh man, that's so.
Hey, look at the blue. Look at that boy. Hey. Hey, boy. Diablo. Diablo. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up?
Yo, chill out.
Come here, bro. Jump. Jump.
Alright, now what I got to say about this is, I mean, I waited a month for this shit. I mean, I'm not happy with the wait, and I'm not happy with how everything was done on this. Like, you can look at the details. These look like just stickers to me. This don't look like paint. They look like just stickers. Look like it on this too. They said they painted, but look at the imperfections in this. It's not clean lines. Overspray. Like what macho right on top of this. You can't even see what that tell. I mean you can't even tell what that is basically, unless you're up close. I didn't see a point of putting this here. I don't even think that was there in the picture. And when the windscreen is probably the best thing on here, dude. I mean, I'm happy I have another kit, but at the same time, I'm not happy with Auctmart's overspray right here. Look like that's gonna be peeling off. I don't know what that is. Let's move on to the gas tank cover. Again, look at the details. This is Auctmart for a 2007 Gixxer 600. This was gonna be getting dirty the most. Look at the I. Look at the L. It's not even straight all the way down. It's got a little pivot point right there. Oh man. And then they sent me a link for me to pay for insurance in case of damage, but one of these pieces are scratched, and this looked like it's dirt. It looked like it was underneath. I don't know what this is. It's not coming off. It's not coming off. It's not coming off. But yeah, it's right here. That's scratched. That's scratched. Or chipped off paint. I mean, I paid $480 for this. I should have at least better paint quality or whatever this is. I mean, yeah, I know it ain't OEM. Nothing gonna be OEM, but at the same time, this paint quality isn't the best of its paint. This look like stickers. I believe it's stickers. It look like decals. No, it's the tail, and that's supposed to be one of the cleanest parts of the bike. But I mean, I guess it's straight. That's a fairing kit. Came with some. This is for this is the fairing kit, bolts, whatever. Heat shield, tank grip. But they said it was free. That really wasn't free. I really paid for it. And these all the other pieces that are going to need the bike. Just like this is for the rear trunk. But I mean, it's straight. I'm gonna give y'all a review for when it's on the box. It came in this box right here with all this packing. I mean, it was packaged better than really how. I mean, I'm satisfied, but I'm not highly satisfied. Auctmart, you could have did better than this. But when I get this on my bike, I'm gonna give you a review on how I look on the bike. I might even do a review on how-to video on how to put it on the bike. But the thing is, right now, in this part on my other fairing kit on my bike right now, I don't know how, but the mirrors that were in the bolts that were in the stock OEM mirrors are stuck in there. So I'm gonna have to somehow get that out before I even put this on there. But yeah, guys, this Twin Legacy review. We gonna see. I don't know, man. And this is like the only video that's probably gonna be on YouTube about Auctmart for a Gixxer 600 for the K7, K6 years. I mean, I didn't see none on YouTube for the Lucky Strike fairing kit. I mean, I think I seen one about the Corona. I don't even want the Corona. I want the Lucky Strike because it's supposed to be a MotoGP racing thing or whatever. But yeah, guys, if this is your first time coming in my channel, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified. Like, dislike, however you feel about this video. Comment, let me know what you guys want to know specifically on it. And like I said, I paid $480 for it, plus $25 for it's supposed to be shipping insurance. Well, shipping insurance, my ass. But yeah, subscribe, man, and let me know what y'all want to see. Alright, I guess that's supposed to be carbon fiber. It says Pagara across it. Yeah, so peace out, you guys.